Okay, hi there and welcome to Test 6 in our series The Edge in Economics Revision. We take a topic, this time it's inequality, and we ask you 5 questions. Great chance for you to test and check your understanding. Here's question 1. Which policy combination will reduce income inequalities in a country? Press the pause button, have a go at this question, and then just press play when you want to go through the answer. So which combination of policies will best reduce income inequalities in a particular country? The right answer, we're looking for two policies that will both reduce inequality. The right answer to this question is B. Increasing social welfare payments, of course, transfers to lower income households, increases their disposable income. Higher marginal tax rates also help because they make the tax system more progressive. An increasing marginal rate, let's say from 20 to 40, maybe to 50%, leads to the average rate of tax increasing as incomes get bigger. Therefore, the top income earners pay a larger percentage of their income in tax. Let's have a look at question number 2. What would help to explain why there was a reduction in wage inequality in the country during the post-2008 economic recession? Again, please have a go at question number 2. So after a recession, there was a fall in wage inequality, the gap between high and low incomes. What best helps to explain why that happened? And the answer is A, the existence of a minimum wage. Because a minimum wage, of course, is a statutory minimum pay floor in the labour market. That provides a floor for the wages of the lowest paid workers who might have seen their pay fall in a recession, but the minimum wage prevented a reduction in pay levels below where the minimum wage was set. Question number 3. Most FTSE 100 bosses will already have earned the average salary in the first 2.25 working days of the year. A maximum wage, for example, if the CEO of a company is limited to earning no more than 20 times the lowest paid employee of that same company, would likely lead to what? Have a go, please, at question number 3. So what is a likely consequence if we cap executive pay at no more than 20 times the lowest paid employee? What do you think is going to happen? The right answer to question 3 is C. B, it's easy to regulate. CEOs of FTSE 100 companies have to publish all of their data on wages and earnings and pay levels. It is C because if you increase the pay of the lowest paid workers, in theory that then allows executives to increase their own remuneration, their own pay, in line with the 20 times cap. So it tend to boost the incomes at the bottom and allow executives to multiply that by 20 to set their own pay. 2 more questions on this quick test. Here we go. Here's question number 4. In 2018, the Institute of Public Policy Research published the following data showing the level of income inequality in the UK. The chart shows median household income by decile. Okay, have a go, please, at question number 4. So what does the data show? The data shows that the answer is C. Households in the 10th decile are approximately 7 times better off than those in the first decile. Okay, move on to question number 5. The table on the right hand side there shows the most recent Gini coefficient data for a selection of 5 countries. Which of the following statements can be correctly deduced from this data? Have a go, please, at question 5. Okay, question 5, some data there on the net income Gini coefficient. That's the Gini coefficient presumably after tax. And the right answer, the correct answer to question 5 is A. South Africa has the highest Gini coefficient. Therefore, on this measure, the Gini coefficient, it's the main measure of income inequality. Therefore, South Africa is the highest income inequality. We can't really infer anything about living standards. Living standards is about GNI per capita. This is about income, not wealth, so the answer is not C. And D, well, in fact, Brazil has a slightly lower Gini coefficient than Indonesia. Indonesia has a higher level of income inequality than Brazil. So the right answer there is A. There we go. 5 revision questions on income inequality.